This video covers installing Chaincode on DL-Fabric Gateway. This corresponds to Section 6 of the user guide. Installing Chaincode allows you to upload your code onto the Fabric network, which can then be deployed, which is another word for instantiate, onto channels of your own choosing. So essentially what we'll be doing is, if you remember this fabcard.go example and its base64 encoding, what we're going to do is, if we visit the API docs, call this API. So that long string that we got from the base64 encoding website, we're going to put in here. Because we did the example in Golang, we're actually going to replace this with Golang as here. And we're going to version this as version 1. We'll go over versioning in a future video in much more detail. But for now, I'll show you that I've copy-pasted this in my command line. And as you can see, this base64 encoding is quite intimidating. So I'm calling this fabcar video demo. As always, I've pasted my authorization token here and my username. We're putting in Golang and we're versioning this as v1. Let's go ahead and run this. And as you can see, I immediately got a message back saying that I've successfully installed this Chaincode. What we'll do in the next video is go over instantiating this on a channel.